January opens the door. Cold winds dance, let's explore. February short and sweet. Winter's chill beneath our feet. Months come by, let's sing of dreams, winds, and skies of gray. April showers start to play. May brings blooms, the flowers glow. June says the summer will soon show. Months come by, let's sing along. 12 little stops in our year-long song. From January to December, loud and clear. July waves with sunshine beams. August melts into warm dreams. September knocks on autumn's way. Leaves start falling, gold and gray. October's masks and pumpkin grins. November's thanks with family begins. December whispers, snow appears. Then we're back to start the year. Loud and clear. Loud and clear.